Today we will show you how to use the graph in the HMI. The graph is a very useful feature that the HMI contains. It visualizes different controller and actuator variables. Up to 4 variables can be displayed simultaneously, each of them captured at the same timestamp. These are all the variables one can choose to visualize. The update frequency of the graph is around 10 to 15 timestamps per second, depending on the HMI PC platform. The amount of timestamps that are visualized in the graph can be set by the buffer size. With a low value, one has a more detailed view of the timestamp information, while a large buffer size number will show many timestamps at once. The graph can also be paused by pressing the stop button, but the movement of the actuator will still go on. By pressing clear, the timestamp button will be emptied, just like the graph. The registered timestamps can be exported and stored to disk for further analysis. For further information about the MMA, visit our YouTube channel and website.